Hello dear friends, and welcome back to the cottage. In today's video, I'm showing you our cottage backyard makeover, building our beautiful black fence and moving the shed, painting it, and giving all the Cottagecore vibes. Someone is always doing something. We all pitch in. And food, good food, is always part of the equation. Our family is definitely a working unit. We believe life is the adventure, and working together makes life fun. It also has given all our children good life skills, and they are not afraid to work. I always dream up how we're going to beautify our spaces, and my husband helps my dreams come to fruition through his great carpentry skills. And likewise, my children, as teenagers and young adults, are really such a powerhouse when we get together and we get things done. Moving the shed was quite a creative process, but my husband Daniel and the children made quick work of it. So many boards had to be stained. This whole process of moving the shed, building fence, and our garden area started in the late spring, and we just finished it at the beginning of summer. am very happy with the black stain color, and I would do it again. I love the finishing of the copper caps, and I love how the green and plants just pop on that black color. My husband bought me a lovely pizza oven, so we made regular and gluten-free pizzas. We all got really excited about trying out the new little outdoor oven. Pizza is definitely a tradition in our family, from barbecuing our pizzas out on the grill when we were camping and building a house, to just baking it every Friday night as kind of a family movie night, to just making pizzas now for our backyard oven. We love to add all kinds of toppings on, and I think we just kind of enjoy customizing each pizza to the person's preference. It's just pretty fun. Part of why I like showing these videos to you guys is just showing you that life is good even when we're working, even when we're building and being creative. I just like to show like these everyday moments and just how beautiful they are. Just making pizza, working on the fence, just the joy of the everyday. The old shed was in the corner of our backyard, and we decided to move it to the middle to make designated areas like the cottage garden to the right, and to the left my private tea time area and the kids area. I chose some fun vintage colors for the shed, and I really love how the green door turned out. Thank you for coming along on our cottage backyard makeover. I appreciate all of you for showing up and supporting this channel. And stay tuned for the No Dig Cottage Garden Tour coming soon.